How to track order on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can track order on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to track orders on the Shein app, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open the Shein app and then make sure to log into your Shein account which you use to place the order via the website or app. And once you've done that, you have to go to your orders tab, and to go to our orders tab, first of all tap the me option from the bottom right corner of the screen, and right here you'll find my orders. Just tap the view all button next to the orders. Over here you'll be able to see all of the orders. Now because this page shows you an overview of your order history and status, and you can just click on select details to get more information about your order. You can just move on to the unpaid tab, processing, shipped or review or returns or whatever else you prefer in this case, to view and track your order status. This way you'll be able to track your order on Shein app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.